What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's been ages since I've actually made a proper video like this, but I've got an update on the Golf and we got some modifications put in. So this lovely thing just came in. As you can see, it's these JOM LED lights. It's over there. So we'll be installing this on my MK5 1.9 TDI, and we've still got a few things coming. The coilovers, then wheels hopefully, everything after that. But yeah, let's switch over to my other camera and start putting this in. Okay, so firstly, these are the lights we're removing. It's kind of like a DIY we made with a few hundred LEDs, but yeah, they're being swapped out for these now. These are the lights that attaches to the boot, and all of these wiring, everything's color coded, so it should be easy enough. So now I'll do the other side and then we'll start doing the actual wiring to the boot there. Okay, so what I've done now, I've got these wires through, so I ran them up here, came in straight here, got a hole in the rubber boot there because it wasn't going to fit through the actual rubber grommet. Made another hole there, so it's going to come in all the way here, right through there to the lights. Okay, so we're back on day 2 because I had to pick up my girlfriend and everyone. So the lights actually took me around, let's say, an hour and a half, around that, and I actually love the way they look. I'm actually going to show you all the wiring and exactly how I did everything. That's the plug that actually goes from the lights, that is the lights, to the actual plug that goes into your normal lights. That little plug, and that's plugged into the resistor box as well. That's literally just shoved at the back there. Make sure all of these wires are insulated properly. As you can see there, make sure they're insulated and not touching the body or anything, and you're fine. The other wire, it goes up from here, from the back there, through there. There was a little hole through there. Made a little hole in the actual grommet there because you're not going to fit that wire through there. Gone in there, gone through there, and up through here to the actual lights. But unfortunately, the reverse light and the fog light are switched up. I mean. So I'm going to take some wire here and literally just extend these wires across, going from that way to that way. I've quickly switched over to my phone's camera. So firstly, there are 2 screws, one in there, and that's literally all you need to actually pull off this thing here. So start popping it out on each side, as you can see there, and then this last one. There we go. And this whole plastic piece comes off. And now I'll show you the rest of the wiring. So as you can see, that wire just runs up through there to the actual lights, and everything's color coded, so it's very easy. So what I'm gonna have to do now is, I don't even know if I have to extend these. I'll have to extend this one. So I'll have to extend this wire, bring it all the way over here so it plugs into this light for the reverse, and then take this wire. I can probably just move it over there, taking that off, which is fine. So bring it over there for the fog light, and that should be it. Bit of rust, oh, not good. So what I've done now is I literally removed the wire from there, removed the tape and everything, brought it back from there behind the wiper motor. Excuse my cut up hands, I've been very busy with this car. And it just plugs in right there. So now I'm gonna cut this wire, extend it, and bring it over to this one here. Okay, so what I've done here, hopefully you can see it, I connected this wire up to this little connector here. Snipped this off. Got the wire there. Got a bit too long, so I'll probably cut it around there. Put this little one on and literally just plug it in there. Right, the wiring is done, as you can see. The wire running through there, there, and plugs into that little connector there. Cleaned up the wiring, and now it's literally just put that back the same way it came out. Alright, so I'm gonna end off this video right here. The lights are in. Fixed a few things. As you can see, the reverse light works with the reverse, and the fog works with the fogs now. The dynamic indicators. There are two different variants. There's one that is a cherry red tint, and they don't have the dynamic indicators. So I had to go for these, which is like a darker tint, whatever. Doesn't look too bad. I love it. It's going to look better when I have the R32 bumper at the back with the two exhausts, and obviously lower tone alloys. But yeah, that's it for this video, lads. I'll come back to the next one to see coilovers on it, and yeah, then you have to put up with me not making YouTube videos and not being used to it, not being able to talk properly. So yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys. Oh, and that's the new stage I put in as well. So yeah, see you in the next one, lads. Cheers.